Good afternoon, WestCon. I am student meteorologist Zachary Duhaime with the important forecast update for the last Thursday in March. We have a lot to talk about today, though. Nice blue skies, at least at the current time, around 12:30 on this Thursday afternoon. Temperatures approaching 50 degrees, but we have a big change coming over the next 24 hours. And yes, it is the calm before the storm because Mother Nature, it does have a full for us right for April Fool's Day, but it's not actually a full. It's going to come true, I think, with not just rain, but maybe some wintry precipitation as well. And how about any spring weather? How about near 60 degrees? That's going to be at the end of my 5-day forecast, but we have a lot to get there before we get to that 60 degrees. And here's where the storm is right now. You can see on the satellite, way back to the west. It's going to track kind of right like this off the coast of Jersey, and this is going to create a big mess for us in Connecticut, especially north of Hartford, where we could see some accumulating sleet or snow at some points. And here's the setup. We have the cold highs to the north and the low pressure to the south. I put the rain here because the rain's going to be right around central Connecticut, but the snow will be back to our north. The question is exactly how much cold air gets locked in, and I'm going to time things out. Here's one of our models called the NAM, and this is around 8 a.m. tomorrow, so some scattered rain or snow showers possible, maybe freezing rain as well. So just a light wintry mix for the morning commute. Shouldn't have much of an impact. But then by later on in the day, we increase the chance for rain or a mix. This is around 7 p.m. Now, this is one of the warmer models indicating mainly rain scenario around 7 p.m. across Connecticut by Friday. But look at the difference. Here's our other model called the GFS model. A much different story once you get north of Hartford. Snow and heavy snow of that coming down a good clip and maybe a mix to the north as well. So this is the coldest model so far, indicating maybe a heavier snow or sleet issue rather than rain come tomorrow evening. And then we bring it back to the NAM model. I know a little confusing. Back overnight for 7 a.m. Saturday, and this could be very heavy rain across most of Connecticut. But again, this is one of the warmest models, so if this is not rain, this could be heavy sleet, freezing rain, or snow, and this could be a big mess for some waking up Saturday morning. So it's something you have to watch closely here. And also by around 1, 2 o'clock, the storm wraps up, and we can actually see maybe a nice sunset by the evening commute. So let's break this thing down one more time. There's a lot to talk about, and a lot can go wrong. I put very changeable in underline and italicized because it's very changeable, guys. Light wintry mix by the morning commute picks up all day long. Heaviest tomorrow evening through Saturday morning. But again, it can be snow, sleet, freezing rain, or rain, especially once you get north of Hartford. That's where we're going to see the best chance for the winter precipitation. The shoreline looks to be mostly rain, but again, this is very changeable. If a slight change, it could be a big difference. And any accumulation of slop, I think northwest hills, northeast hills of Connecticut could see several inches of slop, a very heavy, wet snow, very hard to move. But anywhere across Connecticut could expect some type of slop with that sleet and freezing rain mixing in with that snow at times. So today's forecast, 31 degrees for the low, becoming cloudy, light mix by sunrise. I think it's relatively light, so the morning commute shouldn't be that much of an issue, but the evening commute could be with the wintry mix and rain. Again, the question mark is who sees exactly what. I think, again, wintry mix or snow likely north of Hartford. Some mixing, mainly rain south of the Hartford area tomorrow with temperature around 36 degrees. In that 5-day forecast, I saved the best for the last. Temperatures finally getting to near 60 degrees come Tuesday, but we also increased the threat for rain. But Sunday is definitely the pick of the weekend with temperatures in the low 50s with plenty of sun. Sorry, I covered a lot today. You can update this forecast anytime. Paul Tasher will have the updated forecast. It's Monday at 7 p.m. Thanks for watching. I'm student meteorologist Zachary Duhaime. Have a great rest of your week.